Agentic AI governance. In this short video we will unpack what it means to safely manage AI agents that act on their own. We will cover why it is different from older AI governance, the core building blocks, real examples, the tools you can use, and a simple checklist for getting started. If you build with agents, this is the part that keeps you out of trouble. First, what is an AI agent? A regular chatbot just answers questions. An agent goes further. It can plan, call tools, browse the web, write files, send emails, or move money, all on its own to reach a goal. That autonomy is powerful, but it also means the agent can take real actions in the real world without a human pressing a button each time. So why do we need special governance? Traditional AI governance worried about one model giving one answer. With agents, the risk multiplies. An agent can chain many steps, use many tools, and even spawn other agents. A small mistake early on can snowball into a costly action later. Governance is the set of rules, guardrails, and oversight that keeps that autonomy safe, legal, and aligned with your business. Let us define a few core terms. Autonomy level is how much freedom the agent has, from suggesting actions to executing them fully on its own. Guardrails are hard limits on what the agent may do. An audit trail is a complete record of every decision and action. And a kill switch is a way to instantly stop an agent that goes off the rails. Keep these 4 ideas in mind. The first building block is autonomy levels. Think of it like self-driving car levels. At the lowest level the agent only suggests, and a human does everything. Next, the agent acts but asks for approval on risky steps. This is called human in the loop. At the highest level the agent runs fully on its own. The rule of thumb, the higher the risk of an action, the more human approval you require. The second building block is guardrails and permissions. Give each agent the least access it needs to do its job, and nothing more. Limit which tools it can call, set spending caps, and block dangerous operations like deleting databases. Input guardrails check what goes into the agent, catching things like prompt injection. Output guardrails check what comes out, catching unsafe or off-policy responses before they reach a user. The third building block is observability and audit trails. You cannot govern what you cannot see. Every agent run should log the goal, each reasoning step, every tool call, the inputs, and the final result. This trace lets you debug failures, prove compliance to auditors, and spot when an agent is drifting from expected behavior. Treat these logs as a permanent, tamper-resistant record, not throwaway debug output. The fourth building block is human oversight and control. Critical actions should pause for a human to approve, reject, or edit. This is the human-in-the-loop approval gate. You also need a kill switch to halt a misbehaving agent instantly, and clear ownership, so a named person is accountable for each agent in production. Autonomy without an off switch is a recipe for sleepless nights. Let us make it concrete. Imagine a customer service agent that can issue refunds. Good governance means, it can refund up to $50 on its own, anything higher needs a manager to approve, every refund is logged with a reason, and if the refund rate spikes, the agent is automatically paused. Same agent, but now it is safe, auditable, and trusted by the business. What tools help you do this? Frameworks like LangGraph, the OpenAI Agents SDK, and the Claude Agent SDK have built-in human approval gates and interrupts. Guardrail libraries such as Nemo Guardrails, Guardrails AI, and LlamaGuard enforce policies. Observability platforms like LangFuse, RISE, and Langsmith give you full traces. And emerging standards like the EU AI Act and the NIST AI Risk Management Framework shape the rules. Here is a simple starting checklist. 1. Classify each action by risk. 2. Set an autonomy level to match that risk. 3. Give least privilege access and spending limits. 4. Log every step with full traces. 5. Add human approval for high-risk actions. 6. Build a kill switch and assign a clear owner. Start small, with tight limits, and loosen them only as trust grows. To recap, Agentic AI governance is how you let agents act autonomously without losing control. Remember the 4 pillars: autonomy levels, guardrails, audit trails, and human oversight. As agents take on more real work in 2026, the teams that govern them well will ship faster and sleep better. If you found this useful, follow for more plain English breakdowns of Gen AI, and tell me in the comments how you are governing your agents.